Hey gamers, welcome back to Error Genie. Is that frustrating? Trying to fix EA FC25, trying to enable RTAO without ray tracing. Enabled. No ray tracing hardware detected getting in the way of your gameplay? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to fix the issue and get your ray tracing up and running smoothly. Let's jump into it and improve your gaming experience. Step-by-step guide to fix the RTAO error in EA FC25. Step 1. Open Game Settings Launch. EA FC25. Head over to the Customize option located in the top left corner of the main menu. Step 2. Access Display Configuration. From the Customize menu, select Game Settings. Use the L1 button or the equivalent on your controller to scroll to Display Configuration and Screen Settings. Step 3. Adjust Ray Tracing Settings. Find the option labeled Ray Tracing. Change the setting from automatic to either enable or disable, depending on what your hardware can handle. Step 4. Check and adjust resolution. Make sure the resolution matches your monitor's native resolution. This is key for getting the best performance and image quality. Step 5. Review rendering quality. Check the rendering quality settings. If it's set to ultra, consider switching it to medium or high to keep your game running smoothly without sacrificing much visual quality. Step 6. Adjust additional graphics settings. Here are a few other settings to tweak for better performance. Grass quality, set to medium crowd quality, set to low ambient occlusion quality, set to medium. Step 7. Confirm changes. After making all these adjustments, hit the Options button to confirm and apply the changes. Step 8. Restart the game. Exit the Settings menu and restart EAFC25 to make sure the changes take effect. And that's it. I hope these steps help you fix the RTAO error and improve your gaming experience. If this video helped, smash that like button, and for more awesome gaming fixes, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more from Error Genie. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.